the average cost is equal to total cost divided by x. So that is nothing but 5x cube plus x square plus x plus 100 divided by x will give 5x square plus x plus 1 plus 100 divided by x. The average cost can also be written as x square minus x by 2 plus 25 by x plus 5. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today I am going to discuss regarding very important concept in this application of definite integrals. In that we are going to study regarding the important application of definite integrals like the cost and the revenue function. So how to find the total cost, total revenue and the cost function for the given problem. So this is very important. You might have been studied this in your previous classes. So today we are going to discuss regarding the total cost function, the total cost and the revenue function and the cost functions. Right. Now let us straight away move to a first problem. Compute the total cost for the marginal cost function f dash x is equal to 6x square minus 6x plus 12, assuming that the fixed cost is rupees 500. Fixed cost is 500 and the marginal cost function is given. What is given? The marginal cost function is f dash of x is equal to 6x square minus 6x plus 12. This is given. Assuming that the fixed cost is rupees 500, what is to find here is the total cost for this marginal cost function. Now f dash x is given and the fixed cost is rupees 500. Okay. Now what is the total cost? So therefore the total cost is equal to, total cost is equal to integration of f dash x dx. So integral of f dash x dx will give the total cost. Now that is equal to integral of f dash x. What is f dash x? 6x square minus 6x plus 12 dx. Now integrate it. So this is integral of x square is x cube by 3 minus 6 into integration of x to the power of 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2 plus 12 into integration of dx is x plus c. Therefore 3 2 gets cancelled, 2 3 gets cancelled. So therefore total cost is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus 12x plus cost function is how much? 500. So therefore the required answer is total cost. The total cost is given by 2x cube minus 3x square plus 12x plus 500. This is the total cost. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. Very simple. Just to find the total cost for this marginal cost, integration of f dash x dx, integrate the given function. Integration of 12 is 12x plus c. So here 3 2s gets cancelled, 2 3s gets cancelled, 2x cube minus 3x square plus 12x. But the fixed cost is given, that is 500. So therefore the total cost is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus 12x plus 500. Very simple for 3 marks. Now move on to the next problem. The marginal cost function is given by f dash x is equal to 15x square plus 2x plus 1, where x is the level of output. Find the total cost, average cost, total variable cost, given that the fixed cost is rupees 100. Okay. Now what is given? F dash of x is given. F dash of x is equal to 15x square plus 2x plus 1. Right. Now therefore the total cost is equal to integral of f dash of x dx. So therefore the total cost is equal to integral of f dash x. F dash x is 15x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. Integrate it. 15 into integral of x square is x cube by 3 plus 2 into integral of x is x square by 2. Integration of 1 dx is x plus c. So this is equal to, gets cancelled, 5 3 5s are. So therefore TC, total cost, is equal to 5x cube plus x square plus x plus c, right? But c is given. What is given? Given that the fixed cost c is given, that's equal to rupees 100. Substitute here. So therefore the total cost is equal to 5x cube plus x square plus x plus 100. So this is the total cost. So what is to find? Find the total cost. Then average cost and the total variable cost. So what is average cost? Therefore the total variable cost is equal to this itself 5x cube plus x square plus x is the total variable cost. Okay. Now total variable cost. Then what is to find? Average cost. How to find the average cost? So average cost is equal to, therefore average cost is equal to total cost divided by x. The total cost divided by x will give us the average cost. TC divided by x is the average cost. So AV is equal to TC divided by x. So what is the total cost? Total cost is equal to, this is the total cost, that is 5x cube plus x square, 5x cube plus x square plus x plus 100 divided by x. So therefore the average cost is equal to 5x square plus x plus 1 plus 100 divided by x. This is the average cost. So the average cost is equal to total cost divided by x. So that is nothing but 5x cube plus x square plus x plus 100 divided by x will give 5x square plus x plus 1 plus 100 divided by x. That's it. This is how we are going to find the total cost, average cost, as well as a variable cost, total variable cost. Now move on to the next problem. The marginal cost function of a first is given to be 3x square minus 20x plus 100, where x is the level of output. Find the total cost function. If the total fixed cost is 500, what is the average cost? So what is given? The marginal cost function, that is f dash of x is equal to, given f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 20x plus 100. Now just find out, what is to find? The total cost. So the total cost is equal to integration of f dash x dx. So this is equal to integral of 3x square minus 20x plus 100 into dx. So therefore integrate it. Total cost is equal to integral of x square is x cube by 3 minus 20 into integral of x is x square by 2 plus 100 x plus c. So 3 gets cancelled, 10 times gets cancelled. So therefore total cost is equal to x cube minus 10x square plus 100x plus c, right? But what is given? If the total fixed cost is 500, given, since c is equal to 500, substitute here. So therefore the total cost is equal to x cube minus 10x square plus 100x plus 500. This is the total cost, right? So therefore the total cost is equal to x cube minus 10x square plus 100x plus 500. Now what is to find? First one is the total cost function. Find the total cost function if the fixed cost. What is the average cost? Now what is to find is the average cost. Now therefore the average cost is equal to total cost divided by x. What is the total cost? X cube minus 10x square plus 100x plus 500 divided by x. So therefore the average cost is equal to x cube by x is x square minus 10x plus 100 plus 500 divided by x is the average cost function, average cost for the given function. So x square minus 10x plus 100 plus 500 divided by x is the average cost. Hope you followed. Just divide by x, that's it. Now on to the next problem. A manufacturer produces x units of a product per week. Is marginal cost function f dash x is equal to 6x square plus 2x. Find the total cost when the fixed cost is rupees 50. So, just a manufacturer produces x units of a product per week. If the marginal cost, what is the marginal cost? Marginal cost is f dash of x is equal to 600x plus 2x. Find the total cost when the fixed cost. So, fixed cost is rupees 50. Right. This is given. Now, therefore, the total cost, find out the total cost. So, the total cost is equal to integration of f dash x dx. So, that is nothing but, therefore, the total cost is equal to integral f dash x is 6x square plus 2x dx. Integrate it. 6 into integral of x square is x cube by 3 plus 2 into integral of x is x square by 2 plus c. 2 gets cancelled, 3 2s gets cancelled. So, therefore, the total cost is 2x cube plus x square plus c. Right. Since what is given? Since we know c is equal to 50, c is equal to 50, therefore, the total cost is equal to 2x cube plus x square plus 50 is the answer. 2x cube plus x square plus 50. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Now, move on to the next problem. Find the marginal revenue when the quantity sold 5 units for demand function is P is equal to 300 minus Q square. If the fixed cost is rupees 50 and the variable cost is rupees 3, at what quantity will profit be maximum? This is also an important problem. Right. Now, the marginal revenue, what is given here? Here, the marginal revenue is equal to price into quantity. Price into quantity. Now, what is given? The price is given P into Q. That is nothing but P into Q. So, P is equal to 300 minus Q square into quantity is Q. Multiply it. So, this is 300 Q minus QQ. Okay. Now, what is given? At Q is equal to 5. At Q is equal to 5. So, therefore, at Q is equal to 5, MR is equal to, that is, marginal revenue is equal to 300 into 5 minus 5Q. That is 1500 minus 125. That's equal to 1375. Right. So, therefore, the marginal revenue is rupees 1375. Marginal revenue. So, find the marginal revenue. So, the marginal revenue at rupees 5 is just substitute here, that is price into quantity. 300 minus Q square into Q is 300 Q minus Q cube. Put Q is equal to 5, you will get. So, 1500 minus 125, that is equal to 1375. Right. Next, total cost. So, therefore, TC is equal to total cost is equal to, so total cost is equal to VC plus FC. So, the variable cost is 3 times Q plus the fixed cost is rupees 50. So, what is this equal to? So, therefore, the total cost is equal to 3Q plus 50. So, next, what is to find? Now, therefore, MC is equal to d by dq of TC. d by dq of TC. That's equal to d by dq of, what is TC? TC is equal to, since TC is equal to 3Q plus 50. So, d by dq of 3Q plus 50. Differentiate this. 3 into differentiation of Q is 1 plus 50 constant 0. This is equal to 3. So therefore, MC is equal to 3. MC is equal to 3, right? Now, at what quantity will the profit maximum? That means the profit is maximum if, so when MR is equal to MC. So what is MR here? MR is 300 minus Q square is equal to MC. What is MC? MC is equal to 3. That's it, right? So profit is maximum when MR is equal to MC. MR is given 300 minus Q square, and what is MC? MC is equal to 3. So 300 minus Q square is equal to 3, then the profit is maximum. That's it. Hope you follow. Now move on to the next problem. Now this is an important problem. If the marginal cost function is 3x square minus x plus 5, where x is the output, then find the total cost. What is to find is the total cost TC, average cost AC, and the total variable cost VC, and the average variable cost, given that the fixed cost is rupees 25. Very important problem. So what is given if the marginal cost function is given? So given marginal cost function, that is nothing but f dash of x is equal to 3x square minus x plus 5. This is given. Now just, and what is the fixed cost is given? C is equal to 25. Now where x is the output, then find the total cost first, TC. So the total cost is equal to integration of f dash of x dx. So therefore the total cost is equal to integral of f dash x, that is 3x square minus x plus 5 into dx. Now integrate it, 3x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 plus 5x plus c. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Total cost is equal to x cube minus x square by 2 plus 5x plus c. What is c? C is equal to 25. This is the total cost. Okay. Then the total variable cost. This itself is the total variable cost. Now total variable cost. So total variable cost is equal to x cube minus x square by 2 plus 5x. That's all. This is the total variable cost. Now next, and find the average cost. The average cost is equal to, now the average is equal to total cost divided by x. So what is the total cost? Total cost is x cube minus x square by 2 plus 5x plus 25 divided by x. That's it. Simplify this. So therefore the average cost is equal to x cube by x. Cube by x is x square minus x square by 2 divided by x. This can be written as x square by 2 into 1 by x. So that is nothing but minus x divided by 2, minus x by 2, and x gets cancelled, plus 5 x by x is x gets cancelled, 5 plus 25 divided by x. So this is the average cost, x square minus x by 2 plus 5 plus 25 by x. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. So therefore the average cost can also be written as x square minus x by 2 plus 25 by x plus 5. That's it. Okay. So this is how we are going to solve this problem. Hope you followed all these questions. You may expect one question from this type of concepts. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.